Hello, my name is Nusrat Marzana Othui. Today the topic I have with me is very fascinating. I can't wait to talk about it. The topic name is My Future Plan. My school's name was Fazlur Rahman Ideal Institute. I had passed my SSC exam from this institution and I had scored golden A+ from science background. Then I had admitted to National Ideal College. After passing HSC exam with GPA 5, me and my family had decided that I would take preparation for Dhaka University. From childhood, I want to be a teacher of Dhaka University, so that I really put my all effort on this admission journey. But unfortunately, I couldn't make it. That moment was the most depressing moment of my life, and the person who always stood beside me was my father. And then I had decided that I will take preparation for CSC department. And a few days ago, I got chance at CSC in a private university. In my whole life, I hated engineering subject, but now I have decided that I will take preparation for CSC and I will be a best successful engineer, and I want to see myself as a successful engineer in a multinational company. Though I know that getting a job from a multinational company is not a piece of cake, but also I believe that dream big and work hard. So please everyone pray for me so that I can reach the goal of my life. And thanks everyone for listening to me.